This BMW 3 Series had a totally blocked DPF. The engine would stall 3 seconds after starting. The pressure before the DPF in excess of 5000 millibar or 75 psi. We opened the hose to the differential pressure sensor to allow the engine to idle, and to allow the injection of the cleaning products. This graph is displaying live data from the ECU showing the engine speed, DPF temperatures and DPF pressures. At temperatures above 400 degrees the soot is starting to burn off, and once the DPF hits 440 degrees you can see the pressure starts to return to normal. This regeneration process took around 20 minutes to complete. DPF temperatures never exceeded a very safe 450 degrees. At the end of the regeneration process the engine was allowed to idle and the DPF pressures were back to a normal reading of 3 millibars. Call DPF Tech on 07500 260 125. A full chemical clean now costs £150.